Want to start your crypto journey with free USD2 coupons and exclusive trading rewards in just a few clicks? All you need is the Zoomex Referral Code ZX902837. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to unlock your rewards. Zoomex is a fast-growing crypto exchange offering spot, futures, and copy trading. Beyond trading, Zoomex runs a referral program that rewards both you and your invited friends. By using the code ZX902837, you gain instant access to coupons, bonuses, and fee-saving opportunities. Here's the big difference. Without a code, no welcome coupon, higher costs. With code ZX902837, free USDT coupons and exclusive rewards. Which one would you choose? Here's what you can unlock with the referral code ZX902837. Invite one friend equals 5 USDT coupon, invite 3 friends. Equals 15 USDT coupon, invite 10 friends, equals 80 USD coupon each additional friend, after 10 equals plus 10 USDT coupon on top of that. When your referred friend reaches a trading volume of $30,000, both of you receive 5 USDT bonuses up to $300. Coupons can be used as margin or to offset trading fees. They're not withdrawable, but profits made with them are 100% yours. Here's how to claim your benefits in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Click the link in the video description. Step 2. Sign up and enter referral code ZX902837. Step 3. Complete KYC verification if required. Step 4. Deposit at least $50 into your account. Step 5. Trade a minimum of $5,000 and start claiming coupons from the Rewards Hub. Starting in crypto can feel overwhelming. High fees, fear of losing money. That's why referral code ZX902837 is your safety net. You get free coupons to test the waters and bonuses that boost your confidence. It's not just about trading, it's about starting smarter, safer, and stronger. Don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description, sign up on Zoomex, enter referral code ZX902837, and start unlocking your rewards today. Opportunities like this don't last forever. Act now. Important note, this video is not financial advice. Crypto trading involves risks. Only invest what you can afford to lose. This video simply shows you how to use the referral code and claim rewards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And remember, referral code ZX902837 and the sign-up link are waiting for you in the description. See you in the next crypto video.